Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the sixth question in exercise 9.1. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. So first let's try to draw a diagram representing his situation. We are given that a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing. So I'm marking the 1.5 meter tall boy with a standing line some distance away from a 30-meter tall building. So another standing line to represent the building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building is going to be equal to 30 degrees. So this initial angle was 30 degrees. He walked some distance towards the building. So let's assume he walked this much. So now the new angle of elevation to the top of the building is marked as 60 degrees. Now let's close this line to make it a rectangle. We are supposed to mark all the vertices. So I'm marking this as A, B, C. This vertex as D, E, F, and this particular point as G. Now the height of the boy was given as 1.5 meters. So if AB is 1.5, then DE is 1.5. The total height of the building was given to be 30 meters, which means DF is 30 meters, of which DE is 1.5. So this part is going to be 28.5. The distance the boy walked BC is X and CD we are marking it as Y. If BC is X, then AG is also going to be X and G is going to be Y. Now you're supposed to find out what is the value of X. So let's start with triangle AEF. In triangle AEF, tan 30 degrees is going to be equal to EF divided by AE, opposite side by hypotenuse. Let's substitute the value of tan 30, which is 1 by root 3 is equal to EF is 28.5 divided by AE is AG plus GE, which is X plus Y. So this means X plus Y is equal to 28.5 root 3. So let's now go on to the other triangle. So in triangle GEF, the tan 60 degree is going to be equal to again EF divided by GE. So tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 is 28.5 by Y in this case. So this means Y is equal to 28.5 by root 3. I'm just swapping the places of this. Now let's substitute the calculated value of y in this particular equation where x plus y is equal to 28.5. So this should give us the value of x. So x plus 28.5 by root 3 is equal to 28.5 root 3. On the left side alone, let's take LCM. So x root 3 plus 28.5 by root 3 is equal to 28.5 root 3. Now I'm going to leave the x root 3 here and take all the other terms the other side. So x root 3 is going to be 28.5 root 3 into another root 3, and then I'm taking this here. So minus 28.5. So this is nothing but 28.5 into root 3 means it's simply 3. So I'm taking the 28.5 is common outside. So this will become 3 minus 1, which is 2. So 28.5 into 2 is 57. So x root 3 is equal to 57. So x is 57 divided by root 3. Remember, if the denominator is an irrational number, you need to rationalize. So I'm multiplying both the numerator and the denominator with root 3. So the numerator will become 57 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. And then I can cancel out the 57. So this is 19. So that tells us x is equal to 19 root 3. Since they didn't say in the question, use root 3 is 1.73, etc. Don't waste your time in multiplying. Also, the irrational number is in the numerator and not in the denominator. So this will be accepted as your final answer. In the next video, we will see how to solve the seventh question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.